Have you ever explored all the free extras FunShine Digital has to offer? Let's take a quick look at what's available to you. First, be sure you're logged into your FunShine Digital account, then click Extras at the top of the page. The first link, Getting Started Guide, leads you to a booklet that provides tips on getting started with FunShine curriculum. The Assessment with FunShine Digital link provides information and printable items to make authentic assessments easier than ever. Click Additional Training from FunShine Express to learn more about the free training that we provide. We have a wide range of business tools to help you connect with families, market your program, and help you keep your business organized. Just click the link to see more. In Daily Lesson Resources, you find links to all teacher-related materials used in the current year of FunShine Digital curriculum. If you lose a display or teacher resource, you can usually find a copy to print here. If you're looking for bulletin board ideas for your class, click this link. Ideas are organized by month and theme for the current year. Under Classroom Extras, we provide 5 years worth of digital music from which you can choose. Click on any of the links and play songs through your favorite Bluetooth device. We provide theme-related book lists by month to help you choose age-appropriate books to have on hand for children to explore. Click the book lists link to view them. Keep families informed about classroom happenings with our monthly newsletters. Print or download and attach them to emails for families. We offer practice pages that focus on letters, numbers, colors, and shapes for ages 3 to 5. They're not used in our curriculum, but they're free for you to print and use as you need them. And finally, we have even more free monthly enrichment opportunities for you in the monthly enrichment link. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in this video, please don't hesitate to contact us. All of our contact information is at the bottom of every FunShine Express page. Have a great day!